Welcome back. Let us know what is meditation and why we should do meditation, and how Bindu Dhyan helps you to regain your lost energies. We cannot be without doing something, so we do something or the other. If someone is doing nothing, then he is a great and achieved person. So there are plenty of options available, plenty of options, thoughts, opportunities available to us. But we should be happy with whatever the option we choose. We should stop comparison and be happy with our position. If you are not happy with whatever you possessed or whatever you have chosen or selected, let us say you have taken up a job which you didn't like. So you started feeling that you're not fit for the job and you deserve something else. So thereby you're not living in the present job, in the present scenario, situation. So you're dreaming of something else. So something in the future. That is the root cause for the distress and for the unrest in you, for all the negativity in you. So if you don't like something, don't do it. You have compromised the present moment for the sake of something, whatever be the conditions. Then you accept it wholeheartedly. If you have accepted it, be in that present moment and do not regret what has not happened. You may get it. Keep trying, but be happy with what is in your hand. A bird in the hand is better than two in the bush, right? Distant pastures are always green. So be happy with whatever you have. Be in the present moment. If you are in the present moment, if you live in the present moment, you are sure to be purposeful and happy person. And definitely it will pave the way to reach your destination, goal. Options available today are going to be available tomorrow are endless. You have to be contented to some point and you should keep going and never carry some negativity in your thoughts. We already discussed we cannot change life options like changing TV channels. It's not that easy. Bindu Dhyan, Bindu meditation helps you to stay focused to the present. Whatever the issues that are burning, that are important to you at this point of a time. If you regret something that happened in the past or something you have not achieved, then there is no purpose, there is no use of that. You attain a state that is self-induced state of mind with the Bindu Dhyan for getting focus on the dot, on the burning topic that is most important at this point of time. So you can resolve one by one all the issues. So the confusion clears, the clarity comes into you. The clarity comes into you. The clarity becomes visible to you so that you can take the right path. You will not tread the wrong path. So you will not commit mistakes and you will definitely go into the right path. Bindu Dhyan is self-discipline to set yourself right. This is required for everyone and anyone on this planet, irrespective of religion, irrespective of whatever the faith, they are following it. The Bindu Dhyan is irreligious, no religious strings, no flavors attached to it. It is self-discipline required for everyone. Example, if a glass fell down and broken, accept that it broke and move on. Does it make any sense to show anger on those who broke it or feel sad if you broke it yourself? It is just a piece of a glass, not your life. That you should understand. You cannot restore the broken glass. Next, if someone failed in the exam, any use in dwelling on that result? Today is in your hand and do what you can do now Opportunities are never lost. Will come again and again. You will have time to grab it again. Right? One divine quote merges into Bindu Dhyan philosophy of meditation, well explains the approach you should adopt. Whatever happened in the past happened for the good. Whatever is happening for the good. Whatever will happen, it's also for the good. Take it this way, and your life will be easy. You will be happy. So, you can focus on the current burning topic in your life. Will not ponder or hang over on the past or the future. So, doing Bindu Dhyan meditation, it's a quick way of doing meditation. It will take you from the amateur stage to the professional stage in every phase, every walk of life. If you are eating in a small restaurant, then enjoy that particular moment. Never think of dreaming some posh lunch somewhere. That is the point. Meditation is for everyone, from an aspiring student to the most dynamic business person on the earth. Never mistake that meditation is for monks and sannyasis or those who stay in hermitage. Not like that. It is for everyone, and it's very much applicable to the modern current society. Meditation is for every person in the modern society, current society, to lead a successful life, pursue one's goals in better way. You can give rest to your body, but never to the mind. Mind gets pulls from everywhere. This is where Bindu Dhyan helps you to focus in the present and not to get lost somewhere else. So, in summary, Bindu Dhyan meditation helps to deeply focus on one thing that is most important in your life at this point of time. Train your mind to stay away from temptations or the distractions. Be in the state of physical or psychological relaxation. Physical and mental well-being, mindfulness and heartfulness. Bindu Dhyan detoxifies your mind and syncs up, integrates with your body for the fruitful life. Thank you.